Welcome to the Pilot's Manual to ChatGPT. This video is a concept-to-application playbook focused on demystifying the engine and mastering the controls of ChatGPT. The core of ChatGPT is the autocomplete engine, a massive large language model trained on billions of data points. It takes a sequence of text, your prompt, and uses a transformer model to predict the next logical word, sentence, or paragraph based on mathematical probability. It is statistical, not sentient. This technology represents a paradigm shift from traditional search engines. While a search engine uses fragmented keywords for isolated queries to find existing links, ChatGPT uses conversational context within a continuous thread to generate synthesized, novel solutions and text. When using the interface, the sidebar acts as memory, saving distinct chat threads with ongoing context. The prompt box is your primary steering wheel for asking questions naturally. Features like document analysis and live search expand the system's capabilities. A perfect prompt contains 4 key elements: context, persona, task, and format. As shown in the example, providing all these details results in a much more tailored and effective output. The specificity upgrade demonstrates the importance of clarity. A basic prompt like recommend books gives a generic, unhelpful result. A pro prompt with extreme clarity, specifying the user's age, goals, and needs, yields a highly targeted, actionable recommendation. The interaction loop involves an initial prompt, AI output, human feedback, and a refined output. Always review the generation and provide specific feedback to adjust the AI's response to new constraints. Use the regenerate button to cycle through distinct answers for the same prompt. Modality 1, the assistant, is used for high-speed summarization, editing, and translation. Examples include contextual translation, summarizing long PDFs into bullet points, and style editing for website copy. Modality 2, the creator, is for brainstorming, creative writing, and generative problem solving. This includes ideation for business names, creative story writing, and using Vision AI to generate recipes based on an image. Modality 3, the analyst, is great for comparing entities, structuring research, and outlining pros/cons. You can perform comparative analysis, extract research findings, or reformat existing text into a structured outline. Modality 4, the tutor, specializes in breaking down complex concepts and simulating real-world scenarios. This includes concept simplification for different audiences, conducting interview role-play, and engaging in conversational language practice. Be aware of system limitations and hazards. The knowledge cutoff means the model cannot recall current events without live search. AI hallucinations occur when the model fabricates information with high confidence to fill knowledge gaps. Always fact-check the output. The ultimate hack is meta-prompting. If you don't know how to use ChatGPT for a specific task, ask ChatGPT how to use it. Treat the AI as an expert guide to its own capabilities, and it will provide the exact prompts needed for your task. The human-AI sandwich involves 3 phases: people first for the initial idea and prompt, AI middle as the accelerator that drafts and synthesizes, and people last for the final review, fact-check, and polish. ChatGPT is an accelerator for your expertise. You are the pilot. Fly smart.